Hi, how are you? Today we will discuss the gold new level for our intraday trading. First of all, we should remove all the drawings and to analyze it from the beginning. As we are looking in H4, and here we can see that the gold has broke its structure here. It's the BUS point, and it's the BS point. Is this, and now gold is coming back to take the retracement, which is this level. It's the last support in H4 structure. So gold has already reached to the support, and now we will look any rejection from this level, which is about to 3320 to 3293. So this is the level of gold which can take which can give support to the market, and it may go up side from this area. So we will look in, if we look in H1, as we can see that gold has already taken the liquidity from this point. Gold already taken the liquidity from this point and tried to go up, but it's failed, and now it's coming more down. So the market is still not getting any strong resistance from the demand level, and now the probability is very high that gold may take all the liquidity which has been generated from this point to this, and we can write it as so. This is the liquidity which has been gathered in this point, and now gold will the probability is very high that gold will take all this liquidity, and after sweeping up this liquidity, gold may come back in this demand, and then we will see any entry in lower time frame. Like that could be best to see buying in 15 minutes when it get change of character, or we can also look in to go aggressively. We can see 5-minute change of character, and once it's been created, then we will come in buying, and that buying may go very long, but we will take our rewards and risk according to our account size, and the risk should not be more than 1%, and the reward we should do some partial closing as it goes in 1:2 ratio profits. And this is the gold analysis for today. Do not focus on buying or selling without any confirmation, because gold can fall more than this level. It can break this support and can deeper to the next level, which may be this support. As we can see that this liquidity is very close to the demand area. So gold may take a deep support, and that could be this one. So do not trade aggressively, and always come with smart risk management. This is an educational channel. We do not suggest any real trading. Do demo trading, and if you like our analysis, must subscribe us to get all the notification of new upcoming videos. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for your time. We will meet again in the next beautiful video. Till then, bye.